For this DIY, take a green chart paper, fold it into half and then unfold it. Join the upper and the below edges to the middle creases. And unfold them. Now join the upper edges to the topmost crease. Repeat it with the bottom edges as well. Make fan folds through the creases. Now mark a point at 2 cm, 6 cm and 11.5 cm. Cut through these points. Take a A4 size chart paper and fold it into half. Stick the green sheets in the ascending order of sizes. Now apply some glue on the top of the green sheets and stick all of them to the other side of the chart paper. And here we will get a pop-up effect like this. You can decorate the card as you want.